this tutorial you will learn how to make a brand new bracelet design for a girl. Take a 90 cm white macrame cord, fold in half in the middle and fix it to make the axis. Take another 1.5 meter pink macrame and fold in half. Now make spiral head knot. Braid the pink thread to the left. Take another 1.5 meter white thread and fold it in half. The same spiral head knot hanging thread. Braid the white thread to the right. Use the pink thread above to tie a set of spiral head knots to the left on the axis. Tighten around the axis from top to bottom. This is half a spiral knot. Then tighten it around the axis from bottom to top. This is a whole spiral head knot. Then use the white wire on the right side, and use the same method to wind the wire in the order of first up, and then down. Tie a set of spiral head knots to the right on the axis. Continue to use the pink thread above to tie a set of spiral head knots to the left on the axis. Continue to use the white thread above to tie a set of spiral head knots to the right on the axis. Just follow the above steps and repeat the process. Keep making. Make the braid to the desired length. Cut off excess threads and burn them. Braid a flat knot to adjust the bracelet. Take a thread about 20 centimeters long. Knit a two-way flat knot from the middle. After braiding, cut off excess thread and burn it. Wear 2 crystal beads at the end. Now our bracelet is complete. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video.